At a time when the French firm Dassault Aviation has announced that it will complete the delivery of 36 Rafale fighter jets to the Indian Air Force by January 2022, the Indian Air Force chief held talks with senior officials at the Ministry of Defence and Prime Minister's office to make a case for procurement of 36 Rafale F4.1 standard fighter jets that will be assembled in kit form in the Dassault Alliance Aerospace Limited at Nagpur. The second order for 36 Rafale fighter jets will take the Rafale fleet strength to 72 units, and the third batch of 36 Rafale F4.2 fighter jets might also be pursued after the delivery of the second batch. The $20 billion MRFA tender floated for procurement of 114 fighters is not viable due to current financial crunch, and local production will also increase the cost per unit of the aircraft. Dassault Alliance Aerospace Limited has already announced to operate a service center in the facility by the end of 2022 for the present fleet of 36 aircraft, and this facility will now be adopted for the partial assembly of the Rafale fighters that will be shipped from Dassault manufacturing facility. The plan of staggered procurement of fighter jets was first floated by the Chief of Defence Staff, so that new Rafale batches comes with latest standard, instead of procuring 114 fighter jets in the same standard, that will require a higher cost to upgrade at a later stage. The Indian Navy is all set to scrap the proposed acquisition of 13 Mark 45 anti-surface and anti-air gun systems from the US, that were planned to be equipped for its 11 under-construction Project 17A frigates and Project 15B destroyers. The Indian Navy is now looking at a Make in India initiative for the 127mm gun systems, and according to reports, the $1 billion cost of 13 guns was the primary reason behind scrapping the deal, and the specialized American ammunition is considered to be more expensive. The Indian Navy will use the existing 76mm Auto-Melero guns that are locally assembled by Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that will be replaced with the indigenous 127mm guns at a later stage. The Dassault Alliance Aerospace Limited is already operating in a 30-acre plot, and will take up another 30-acre of land in Midhani, and will scale up the assembly of Falcon 2000 business jets at the new site. The draft Memorandum of Understanding will be signed within a week, and the facility is expected to be operational by December 2022. That will also undertake aircraft maintenance of Falcon 2000 and the Rafale fighter jets. The expansion by Dassault Alliance Aerospace Limited will generate higher revenue for the government, and also create a lot of new jobs. The chairman of Midhani Group has said that the company is getting ready to fully commission 2 new production facilities, that includes 550 crore rupees special steel, titanium and nickel alloy sheet and plate making plant. In the second 60 crore rupees plant, it will manufacture bulletproof vests and armored personnel vehicles for the armed forces. The facility will be able to produce 30 vehicles per year, and 50,000 bulletproof vests per year, that is developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The Midhani Group is also supplying titanium alloy metal for the AMCA stealth fighter jet program, and lightweight nickel titanium alloy for engine of the unmanned aerial vehicles in collaboration with the DRAL. A hotline has been established between the Indian and Chinese armies in the North Sikkim sector, to further boost confidence along the line of actual control. The opening of the hotline coincided with the China's Army Day on 1st August, and the armed forces of the two countries have well-established mechanisms for communication at ground commanders level.